Hello everybody, Antonio from Alka Web here. I'm going to explain you how to set up a senior page and a login page with Woffice. So basically how to switch from this page to this page. Okay, it's really simple and let's have a look to how to do it right now. Okay, first of all you have to create a new login page. It can be just a blank page called login. And it's really recommended to call it login. So let's do it. Then you have to assign to it the login page, the login template, sorry, and just publish the page. Okay, now you have to reach the Woffice settings and the login register tab. Here you can find all options to set up the login page and the sign up page. So first of all you have to enable the custom login page. Then here you can set up the layout that you prefer. And here you have to assign the login page just created. Inside this box you can write quite all what you want, such as some example here. Welcome to my new cool intranet. Okay, let's have it and have a look. This is the old page. Let's refresh it. And that's done. It works quite well. There is the welcome to my cool intranet message here. And that's done. Okay. Now let's have a look to some useful options about the login page. If you go in the Woffice settings, you can see some of them here. Okay, the first of them is the show WordPress logo. If you want to remove the WordPress logo from there, you can just disable it here. I disable it, then we will see the result. Then the show password link, it's enabled by default. And the after login redirect. So you can choose where to redirect a user after he's signed in. It can be a custom URL, the private URL, or just the home page. You can set what you prefer. Okay, so save the option. Let's see if the WordPress logo has disappeared. Yet it did. Okay, perfect. Now let's see how to enable the sign up page here. The first thing that you have to do is to enable the registration option in the core settings of WordPress in settings general. Here everyone can register, enable it and save the options. Okay, now if you go to login page and refresh the page, here we go. You will see the sign up button. Click here and here we go with the sign up page. This is the standard page with the default fields, the email, username, password, confirmation, name, last name. What if you want to add more fields here? It's possible. I've already explained to you how to create some custom fields in another video. What you have to do now if you want to add them is to go in to the Woffice settings. Again, the login register tab, registration option tabs, and here you can find the WordPress X profile options. You can enable it and you will see all the fields added to the base group added to the sign up page. So save the settings. Let's see again the sign up page. Let's refresh it. Okay, now as you can see there are some example fields here. In my case I have a location fields, a birthday fields, a phone, a multi-select option, a Woffice notes. These are just example, but you can add all the fields you want here. Okay, now let's see some useful options for the sign up page. Let's go in the registration option in the Woffice settings. And here there are the most useful options, which are the email verification, auto login, send email to user, and send email to admin. The last two are quite simple to understand. The first one, send an email to user to inform him that his registration has been completed successfully, sorry. And the second one, just send an email to admin in order to inform him that a new user has registered on the site. Instead, the email verification sends an email to user in order to verify his email address. So the user has to click on the link contained in the mail in order to verify his address. An important thing to make this work, you have to do another little step, which is to create the activate page. So let's go in the settings, BuddyPress, page, and set the activate page here. It is just a blank page called activate, and you have to set it here, nothing else. This is basically the page where the user is redirected after clicking on the link. If this page is created, the verification mail won't be sent. Okay, so the last option that I was talking about was the auto login. So it just redirects the user. It's just auto login the user after he sign up to your site. Just an important point to keep in mind is that these two options, verification email and auto login, cannot work together, because if the verification email is active, user won't be auto login also if the option is active, because of course the verification mail will be useless in that case. So that's all for now. I hope that this video helped you to solve your issue. See you in another video.